Hey, I am here to give you an introduction to your lab that is going to be in class tomorrow on the World's Fair in Tunbridge, Vermont. The Tunbridge World's Fair began in 1867 and has been held yearly for over 150 years. The fair is operated by a board of 100 shareholders. The shares were first sold in 1901 to raise funds for the fair's continued operation. Shares are passed through families and give the shareholders 100th ownership in a vote in fair proceedings. The fair is completely nonprofit. Now, the numbers on here for admission might be different this year, but we're going to go with this table. On Friday, it costs $10 per person to get in. On Saturday, it costs $15 per person to get in. And on Sunday, $10 per person to get in. Once you're in, you do have to buy tickets for the rides. So if you want to ride a kiddie ride, it's going to cost you 2 tickets. Family rides are 3 tickets each, and spectacular rides are 4 tickets each. Now, you're also going to get a page that shows you offerings at the fair. So you've got the spectacular rides, those top 8, those are the ones that cost 4 tickets each. Then you've got the family rides that cost 3 tickets each. On the back of your paper, you'll see the rides that cost 2 tickets each, kiddie rides. Now, I also have in list form under the kiddie rides the types of rides and their names. So if you don't want to look at the pictures, if the pictures are just too overwhelming and not necessary, you can look just at the list of names and skip the pictures. They're the same list. All right, so to start us off, if you watch this video, the first thing you should write on your lab in the top right corner is your favorite fair food. This is how I'm going to know you watched the video. Write an expression to represent the cost of the following situations. Use C to represent the cost of a ticket. So do you notice we didn't tell you how much a ticket costs, just that you need 2 tickets? So we're going to use the letter C to equal the cost of a ticket. Harry attends the fair on Friday and decides to try out a kiddie ride. Okay, so what would be the expression to represent the cost of Harry trying out a kiddie ride? So we know that a kiddie ride takes 2 tickets, and we're going to have to pay for those tickets. Each one of them is going to cost C dollars. So the expression for Harry to ride a kiddie ride is going to be 2C. But in order for him to ride that ride, he had to get into the fair. And it says he attended the fair on Friday. So we also have to add in $10 for him to get into the fair. So that's an example of an expression on a Friday for a person riding a single kiddie ride. Why? 2 tickets for the kiddie ride times whatever the cost of a ticket is. Second, if you look down at question 2, it says, write, simplify, and evaluate an expression algebraically for the cost of the following situations. Use C to represent the cost of a ticket. On Saturday, Neville rides the swing carousel, tilt-a-whirl, and zero gravity. So you're going to need to reference your extra page. The expression is going to be the cost for Saturday, right? And if I look up at my table, the cost for Saturday is $15 plus. Now, the swing carousel is a 3-ticket ride. The tilt-a-whirl, also a 3-ticket ride. And zero gravity is a 4-ticket ride. So he's going to buy 3 tickets, each one costing C. We don't know how much. Plus another 3 tickets, each one costing C. Plus 4 tickets, each one costing C. And then we have to simplify the expression. So we want to combine like terms. In this case, anything with the variable C is a like term. Same letter, same exponent. So plus 3C plus 3C plus 4C would be 10C. And then anything that's a constant that doesn't have a variable typically goes after the part with the variable. So plus the $15 to get in. Now it says to evaluate the expression, find the total cost if each ticket costs $1.50. So now we know that C equals $1.50. In order to evaluate that, I'm asking you to multiply 10 times the cost of a ticket plus $15. Now remember, multiplication comes before addition. I do want to see each step. So the result of the multiplication would go right underneath, then plus the $15. And on the third line would be the answer. How many dollars for Neville to get in on a Saturday, ride the swing carousel, the tilt-a-whirl, and zero gravity? Hopefully you have enough here to get a start. If you need to, feel free to go back and watch this once you start class and have the papers in front of you. Thanks. Bye.